Okay, so my Arduino Uno Q for Qualcomm of course, has arrived. I ordered this on the very first day that it was announced. It's got the Snapdragon Dragon Wing processor in it, along with a microcontroller, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of onboard storage. Okay, this is just going to be a quick unboxing. Let's go ahead and open it up. So what have we got inside? Okay, a piece of paper, which we'll look at later. And there's another piece of paper in there. What's that? Okay, so here it is. So here's the main thing. So there's the board. Okay, let's get it out of this plastic packet. Okay, so here is the main board. So we've got this LED matrix on here. And of course, we've got the Qualcomm processor here. That's the 16 gigabytes of internal storage, and that's the microcontroller. Got USB-C port, and of course the standard pins that you'd expect on an Arduino. Okay, because this is the same form factor as the Uno. Okay, that's what you get in the box. Next up, I will boot it up and see what I can do with it.